Welcome back to Brittany Olivia. If you see my last video, I did an unboxing on Dare to Have Hair, you guys. So this is going to be it. Dare Life, and it says Dare to Have Hair. I have in 2 bundles and a closure, you guys. I was really iffy. I was like, oh my god, I only have 2 bundles. Only got 2 bundles. As you can see, it is full, but it is combed out. But I think I would like to have an extra bundle, you guys, and just redo it if I end up liking the hair. I still have to, just put it on. So I still have to see, actually how the hair does throughout time. But this hair, it is brushed out or combed out. I used a comb and a brush, and for some reason, every time I buy bundles and I try to unravel it or whatever, it gets like, it messes up the hair and it gets tangled. I don't know if that's just me or if I'm doing something wrong, but this is the amount of hair that I lost, you guys, from combing it. This is the amount, which I can't really say if it's a lot or not, you guys. I really can't, but I didn't want to shed it all. The hair is gonna shed. I asked for a light brown, a light natural light brown color, and to me this just looks black. I'm not liking the color on me. It just looks too dark for my skin tone. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet. I want to lighten it, but I do not want to put bleach on the hair. This is my first time using this hair, and I'm not sure, if it can be, I don't want to mess it up basically, so I don't want to put like bleach or anything like that on it. But I do plan on lightening it. I just don't want to put bleach on it. I can do like a brown color, like a brown that you can actually tell that's brown. Let me show you guys the ends. I was kind of iffy about the ends. I don't know if you can see it or not. These are the ends of the hair, you guys. I don't like those ends. I don't know if because I brushed it out or not. So once I actually go through and wash it, then we'll see if that changed. But other than that, so far I'm liking the hair. It's just the color. So once I lighten it, this is a developer that I use. Now they have a 50 developer. And last time I was in the beauty supply store, I was like, should I get that? Then I had a flashback. I'd be like, nah. But nah, sometimes you may leave your hair unattended. Then you be sad when you come back. Yeah, I wasn't trying to do that. So I was like, let me not get that 50. Let me stick to what I know, the 40. And then we're gonna see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drench the hair in developer, wrap it up in foil, and you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna put it outside because the sun's not really out. So we're gonna apply some heat to it, and we're gonna see what it do. I hope it does well on the hair, you guys. That's what I'm worried about. That's why I don't want to add no bleach. But we're gonna see. Hi you guys, as you can see, I am back and my hair is looking a little bit different, y'all. You can see I got a part now. My hair, it is brown. The ends got a little bit lighter, but that is fine because I love the effect that it gives me, you guys. I love the effect. And anyways, y'all, I drenched the hair in developer. At first I was using a blow dryer, but then the sun came out, so I just wrapped it up in foil and I put it out into the sun and just let it do its own thing. So I'm gonna say I'll let it sit out there for about an hour, y'all. You want to keep checking it because it also depends on the hair. Some hair processes faster than others, so even though I kept mine out there for an hour, you may have to keep yours out there longer or maybe even less. It's just something you have to just keep going back and forth and checking until you get the color that you want. But y'all, let me tell you something. It ended up being really late at night when I was getting the color that I wanted. Y'all, It wasn't that late, but still. I basically just rinsed the hair out. I didn't put no conditioner or nothing on it. I wore it like that for like 2 weeks. And let me tell you, the hair was still good. It was looking like this. All I did was rinse out the developer, y'all. That's all I did was rinse out the developer, okay? I know, shame on me. Shame on me. But let me tell you. You know how your hair, it mats in the back? Sometimes, not this hair. No. Not this hair. It does not mat in the back. Yes, when I first got it, I was getting some shedding. That's before I washed it and everything. Now I get little shed hairs here and there, but it's nothing. It's really nothing to complain about, like at all. Nothing to complain about. So, anyways, I wore my hair like that for about 2 weeks, where I just rinsed out the developer, put nothing on it. Okay. Well, I didn't put no conditioner on it, but I think I did put like some mousse on it so it can just crinkle up a little bit. And I mean, I had no problems with it at all. Normally when you don't treat your hair right, you gonna tell, okay? So let me say, the hair, even though I didn't treat it right when I first got it, the hair, it still looked good. It wasn't shedding. The hair was still doing good. So I'm like, God, this is some good hair. So let me tell you, just last night, y'all. Just last night. I've been wearing this hair for about a good minute now. Not that much of a good minute, but you know what I mean. Just last night, I decided to wash it, y'all. I went on here, I washed it really good. I conditioned it, and then I put my silicone mix on it. Let me tell you. I was combing through the hair with a fine tooth comb. Fine. Very, 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 very. Not a wide tooth comb. No. A fine tooth comb. And I was just very easily, y'all. Very easily. I was like, yay. Yes. I said, let me comb the closure and see if it still go all the way through it. And did. I'm like, you know, sometimes the closure, it gets a little bit matted and stuff if you don't comb it. So I said, let me go try the closure. Cause I ain't no way in the world. But y'all took that comb. I said, it was just going right through. I said, let me grab a little bit. Let me comb a little bit more hair. I said, and it was still just flowing through, y'all. And that's after I added the silicone and everything. Let me tell you, this hair is good. And just a reminder, closure 20 inches, hair bundles are 22 inches, you guys. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it. And you guys, this is just two bundles, 22, one closure, 20. So you guys, that's the back. Let me pull the hair up to the front for y'all. Y'all have to excuse me, I'm sitting on my bed. Y'all, this is some really good hair. I definitely suggest you to go get it. Follow them on Instagram too, y'all, so y'all can be aware of when they have sales. Because when I bought 2 bundles in the closure, y'all. Then after I bought it, well, maybe 3 or 4 days later, they had put up a sale. I was like, and it was like I could have got 3 bundles for the amount that I paid, but I only got 2. But it's fine though, because 2 bundles did me good. I do have to say this. I do suggest you to get at least 3 bundles. Especially if you like to wear your hair like weighed down, if you like that wet and wavy look, I do suggest you to get 3 bundles, because I I don't really like my hair like wet and wavy unless it's like really, really thick. And that's how I like to wear it. If it's wet and wavy, it has to be thick. This is just perfect for me. It's not wet or anything, but you can still see the curls and everything like that, you guys. You can still see the curls. And this is just perfect. And even like I brush it out sometimes if I want a little like a bigger look, I brush it out and it still looks good. Like y'all, this hair is everything. It's super soft. You guys, you have to go get it. This hair is Indian Love Curl. Again, Indian Love Curl, you guys. This hair is so pretty. And even you guys, you can go to their Instagram and they have pictures of a lot of girls are wearing the Indian Love Curl. And just pick what you like. Wear what you want, wear what you like, wear it how you want to wear it, y'all. It's your head. This is some good hair. Go and get you some. Go and get you some. I like wavy and curly hair, especially like in the summertime when you like to go get in the water and swim and stuff. How you come up out the water and your hair just be like, I just love it. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I just love the drip. But y'all, this is what 2 bundles did for me, and it did me good. It did me very, y'all, 2 bundles did this for me, and it did me good. It did me very good. Even when I didn't take care of it, it was still good. No, I'm so in love with this hair. Don't forget, you guys, this is Dare to Have Hair. And then their website, what does that say? DareToHaveHair.com. Duh. Hey, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys are willing to be part of my new growing YouTube family, you guys. I'm just gonna say it one more time. One more time, one more time, one more time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay, you guys? And also hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. You guys, I post my videos on Wednesday. Yes, every Wednesday, you guys. I post my videos every Wednesday, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what you think about this hair. Do you think I need another bundle? Do you think I'm good? What you think about this hair? I think it's bomb. Yes. And y'all, the thing is, I don't even like dark hair on me. I don't think it goes good with my complexion. But I got a good brown color, and it just looked good. To me, it did. I done seen some girls who think their hair look good and don't. To me, it did. Anyways, y'all. You know what? Bye. Just sitting here playing in my hair. Bye. Bye. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face. Hey, get out my face. Bye. Hey. Bye. Until the next video. Subscribe. Bye. Y'all, I'm just playing. But like for real though, I'm out. This time I'm for real. I'm out. Don't forget, Dare to Have Hair. I'm out. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.